Hello, myself Karanam Rao, Assistant Professor, Vijayanagara College, Hosapete. Now in today's class we shall understand beats. Then what are beats and how does the beats are formed in a medium? The waxing and waning of sound waves produced by the superposition of the two sound waves of nearly equal frequency traveling in the same direction is called as beats. Let us illustrate this concept of beats using a simple illustration. Consider two tuning forks A and B of frequency 480 and 482 Hz respectively. When these two tuning forks are vibrated together, then after quarter of a second later, A completes 120 vibrations and that of B completes only 120 and a half vibration. As B could not complete the respective vibration, as a result of which the intensity of sound produced is minimum. After half a second later, A completes 240 vibrations and that of B completes 241 vibrations. As both the tuning forks completes the respective number of vibrations, as a result, the intensity of sound produced is maximum. And after 3/4 of a second later, A completes 360 vibrations and that of B completes 361 and a half vibrations. As B could not complete respective vibration, as a result of which the intensity of sound produced is minimum. After one complete second, both the tuning forks completes respective number of vibrations. That is, A completes 480 and that of B completes 482 vibrations, as a result of which intensity of sound is maximum. That is, after time of 1/4 second, A completes 120, B completes 122, 120 and half. Therefore, intensity of sound is minimum. After half second, A completes 240, B completes 241 and intensity of sound is maximum. After 3/4 seconds, A completes 360, B completes 361 and half and intensity of sound is minimum. After one complete second, it is the A completes 480, B completes 482. Intensity of sound is maximum. That is, in one complete second, it produces twice minimum and twice maximum. Therefore, the number of beats produced are 2 in number, which is nothing but the difference in the frequency of tuning forks. The difference between the two tuning forks is nothing but the number of beats produced. Here, as there are two maximum, two minima, therefore the number of beats is 2. Here, one maxima and one minima corresponds to one beat. In 1 second, as there are two maxima and two minima which corresponds to 2 beats, where number of beats produced in 1 second is the difference between the frequency of two tuning forks. Therefore, beat frequency is defined as the difference between the frequency of two tuning forks, and beat frequency is given by F suffix B, that is equal to F1 difference F2. F1 difference F2, that is equal to 482 minus 480, that is equal to 2 Hz. Therefore, the number of beats produced in 1 second is 2. This phenomenon of periodic rise and fall in the intensity of sound is called as beats. The persistence of hearing for a normal human ear is 0.1 second. Therefore, the ear cannot hear the beats if the beat frequency is more than 10 Hz. Therefore, the beat frequency must be less than 10 Hz. Now, what are the application of beats? to find the unknown frequency. If we know one of the frequency F1 or F2 and beat frequency FB, then we can determine the unknown frequency using the relation F1 is equal to F2 minus FB or F2 is equal to F1 minus FB. And tuning of musical instrument. For tuning the instrument to the required note, the phenomenon of beats can be used. This instrument is adjusted in such a way that the beat frequency decreases and finally becomes 0. This is termed as tuning the instrument, as a result of which tuning instruments can be done by using the concept of beats. Thank you.